Hey first grade, are you ready for another week of learning? I am, and I know Miss Branda is. We are missing y'all, but it won't be too much longer and we'll all be together again. Before we get started with me telling you what's going on today, I have a couple of jokes for you. Where can you find an ocean with no water? On a map. Why are some fish at the bottom of the ocean? Because they dropped out of school. You get it? A school of fish. They dropped out of school, bottom of the ocean. All right, are you ready? Today you're going to be learning about money, reviewing about money, because you know a lot about money. What coin is worth 5 cents? You got it, nickel. What coin is worth 25 cents? Quarter. What coin is worth 10 cents? Dime. And what coin is worth 1 cent? That's right, a penny. All right, how many quarters are in a dollar? 4, good. How many dimes are in a dollar? 10. Remember, we just count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, a dollar. Good. So you're gonna watch that video on money, and then you're going to play a money game that will just help you with the values and finding the values. You're also then going to watch a video on commas. We've watched this one before. It's a lot of fun. And then in the extras section of today, I put a sheet where you can do some practice with where to put commas. Remember, commas separate things in a series. You use commas in dates. We use commas all over the place, but it is important to know where they go, so you're not just sticking them all over your sentences. After that, you're going to watch a video on the water cycle. Remember, it evaporates, it goes into the air, it forms clouds. See all my clouds up here? Looks like I'm up in the sky. So you're gonna watch that, and then you're going to listen to Dr. Banach talk about the water cycle. And then finally, we have a Superbook Bible story about Jonah. Jonah lived an awesome life, but he had a rough spot. And you know why he fell into rough times? Because he didn't obey God. You know what? It is very important that we obey God, boys and girls. And some of the things all of the things God tells us are important, and they're for our best. God loves us, God loves you, and he wants what is best for you. That's why it's so important for us to obey him. So take a look at that. I've put some extras. I've put a crossword puzzle in there and an anagram where you can practice your ABC order if you want to just get some extra practice in. If you have any questions at all, you call Miss Jen. Make sure you're doing your reading, practice in those math facts. Again, we can always practice them together. I can quiz you, or Miss Branda can quiz you. Just give us a call or send us a text. Love you guys. Talk to you later.